Hello, everyone. We hope you're having a fantastic day. We are so happy you came to see us. Today's strip shows us how learning what seems hard can be made easier when you're using the things you enjoy.
Yep, just like my baby girl says, I don't even think about math when I'm cooking. I just put a fourth a cup of this, a half a cup of that, and it comes out delicious.
I'm always online looking for the best prices I can find. If it's 40% off, I'm a happy camper. Let's see what we can all learn today.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
read all about it now.
Mama's Boyz Conversation Starters begins right now.
How can I get you to talk to me? Let's use something that
Mama's Boyz comic strip in living color is a teaching tool that uses the Mama's Boyz comic strip as a guide for interactive modules and conversational questions.
Comics are powerful teaching tools and can tell a complex story in a few images.
Hi, I am Pauline Porter, aka Ma or Mom, depending on who's calling me.
Keisha. She works at my mom's bookstore, and she loves books. And when I'm a published writer,
I'm not mischievous. I'm just curious. There's a lot of fascinating things going on in the world. I just like to know what it is.
I've been cooking before she was a twinkle in her mother's eye. How's she gonna come and tell me what I should eat?
My sister has me all wrong. Look, I'm committed. I'm committed to my business. I'm committed to the boys. And I'm pretty successful at both.
people always make fun of me for knowing so many things. But whenever they want to know something, they always come to me.
I love working at the bookstore. Miss Pauline's great. Terrell and I are tight too.
A lot of my friends don't understand why I prefer my mom's old clothes to the new ones at the mall. But why? Because they're all fabulous finds and I get them for free.
I am big. I am unique. I want to enjoy my life.
If you have 1,062 coins, 9% are dimes, how many is that?
Come on, Ma. You know I'm not good at math.
Sure you are. Well, what if LeBron James made 12 of 15 shots, 3 3-pointers, and 10 of 14 free throws?
Easy. 37 points on 80% from the field and 71% from the stripe. But that's not math, Ma. That's basketball.
Share with us in the comments things that have helped you in school even when you were not at school. We can learn new things or improve subjects by using what we. Let us know what you think in the comments below.
You live, you learn, you love, you learn, you cry, you laugh, you love.
Everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Albert Einstein.
Now that you've seen our show, and as you begin to grow, remember things aren't always what they seem. Keep on reaching for your dreams. The big picture. The big picture, the big picture is the way.
Hey, thanks for coming. Please like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll be back and see you again real soon.